Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is agonizing. It's pronounced ag-on-eyes-ing, and it's spelt A-G-O-N-I-S-I-N-G. Think agonize and then ing. Agonizing describes something which causes extreme physical or mental pain. For example, you might be in agonizing pain if you broke your leg. The word agonizing comes from the Middle French word agoniser, which means to torture. As you can see, this meaning has not changed much over the years, as it still refers to intense pain and suffering. Did you know that agonizing does not just refer to physical pain? It can also refer to mental pain or stress. For example, you can make an agonizing choice or decision. If your mum offers you 2 of your favourite chocolate bars, but you can only choose one, you could call this a difficult or agonizing decision. We've all been there before. Agonizing is used to describe as it is an adjective. However, agonize is a verb and a doing word. Agonize means to undergo great mental pain through worrying. For example, you could say, I agonized for days over whether to tell my parents that I had lost my new bike. If you knew your parents would be upset or angry, you may well agonize and worry about it before making a decision to tell them, or perhaps not tell them. Agonizing is defined in the dictionary as causing great physical or mental pain. Agonizing synonyms include excruciating, racking, painful, severe, intense, and extreme. Antonyms include pleasant, relaxed, enjoyable, pleasurable, and agreeable. Hopefully you don't see or experience anything agonizing today. But if you do see someone in pain or struggling to make a difficult decision, remember that they may well be in agony, so try to be kind to them and give them a helping hand. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.